Hey guys, Gavin here from Ultimate Reloader. Anyone who's subscribed to the channel probably noticed my recent story covering the rebuild of Jim Harmer's misbehaving .308 Winchester Mossberg Patriot rifle. I took the rifle from shooting approximately 4-inch groups in its factory form and rebuilt it as a sort of PRS style rifle and got it down to sub half MOA results. Quite a drastic transformation, and when I published the story, I thought I was publishing something that the majority of you would love. Well, I was wrong. I was actually really wrong. I was reading the comments, and it turns out a lot of you really did want to see what would happen if I took the original parts and components and did some additional accurizing within that platform before moving to something else. And a lot of you also said, what if you took the .308 Winchester barreled action and just put it in a different stock, this MDT LSS? Even Jim told me, oh, I'd be curious to see what would happen if you tried this with the trigger and then that with the stock and maybe inspected the barrel, that kind of thing. So I'm going to address some of that. I'm going to do a couple things. First, we have a reveal to Jim of the PRS style rifle that we're going to publish. And then also I'm going to go back. I'm going to take this factory Mossberg barrel. I'm going to put it back on the action, and I'm going to do a little bit of work with the stock, trying to get around this plastic bottom metal situation sandwiched in there, and perhaps do a pillar bedding or something similar. I'm going to have to figure this out. And then I'm also going to take that barreled action in .308 Winchester, which is pretty much factory. I just changed the ejector spring a little bit and polished some stuff up, and put it in the MDT LSS so that I can supply for you answers to the questions, those primary questions that you had in the comments. So to those of you that were respectful and gave feedback, really appreciate that. That's the one thing I ask for on this channel. Great to disagree with people, disagree with products, as long as you're respectful, because we're all adults, right? So appreciate you all, and I hope that you're subscribed with notifications, because we're gonna have those two stories as follow-up. Jim's response to this rifle, and then some additional experiments based on your requests. So that concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. If you're interested in custom rifles like what we build here on the channel, or gunsmithing services, you're going to want to go to rifles.ultimatereloader.com and get on the wait list. If you want to learn lucrative gunsmithing like what I show here on the channel, including building custom rifles and Cerakote plus a whole bunch more, you're going to want to check out the Colorado School of Trades, schooloftrades.edu. Thanks again for watching.